My delegation, however, notes the fact that the delegations of the United States and a number of other countries influenced by the United States in their speeches as well as in several resolutions have been making a series of attempts to interfere in Hungary's domestic affairs, which the Hungarian delegation, upon instructions from its government, has repeatedly rejected and will consistently reject in the future. While the Hungarian question has been kept almost continuously on the agenda, a number of delegations has rudely and disgracefully offended the government of the Hungarian People's Republic and its United Nations delegation in a way that is incompatible with Hungary's sovereignty and the national honor of the Hungarian people. Therefore, Mr. President, the Hungarian delegation will not participate in the work of the 11th session of the United Nations General Assembly as long as the discussion of the Hungarian question does not proceed in the spirit of the United Nations Charter. Thank you, Mr. President.
The 11th session of the United Nations General Assembly, the delegation of the People's Republic of Bulgaria stated that the inclusion of the so-called Hungarian question in the agenda of the 11th session will hamper the normal work of the session and will distract the attention of the General Assembly from the main international problems in the solution of